In this video, I'll show you how to set up Shopify Tax. Start by signing into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left menu, go to Settings and click Taxes and Duties. Next, review the regions where you collect sales tax. If needed, click Collect Sales Tax and add the states or countries where your business has tax obligations. After that, enter any required tax registration information, such as your tax ID or registration number, depending on your location. Now review your tax settings. You can choose whether product prices include tax, configure tax overrides for specific products, and manage tax exemptions if they apply to your business. Next, save your changes and review your product listings to make sure the correct tax settings are being applied. Finally, place a test order using a shipping address from one of your tax regions to confirm that taxes are calculated correctly at checkout. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Shopify Tax. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.